Are you tired of struggling to come up with fresh ideas for your YouTube videos? Are you ready to improve your videos and stand out from the competition? If so, you don't want to miss this video. I'll be sharing 9 innovative and creative ways to use artificial intelligence to generate compelling YouTube scripts that will engage and delight your audience and send your viewing stats through the roof. But that's not all. I'll also be revealing a secret technique that will help you take your script creation to the next level. So don't click away yet. Stick around to the end and discover how AI can revolutionize your YouTube script writing process. Now, enough of the talk. I know you're eager to get started, so let's head across to ChatGPT and get started. Okay, let's first off ask it just to do us an article about using artificial intelligence to create YouTube scripts. So let's get started with this. So here's an article on YouTube scripts using artificial intelligence. As a content creator on YouTube, coming with new engaging ideas for videos can be a challenge. This is where artificial intelligence can come in handy. AI tools can help you generate ideas for YouTube scripts and even assist the writing process. One way AI can help is with YouTube script creation through the use of natural language processing, NLP. Another way is to use of AI-powered writing assistants, but also AI tools that can help. It's important to note that while AI can be a valuable tool for generating ideas and improving your YouTube scripts, it should be not relied on entirely. As a content creator, it's important to put your own unique spin on your videos and ensure they will align with your brand and message. AI can be a helpful tool, but it's ultimately up to you to bring your ideas to life and create engaging content for your audience. Okay, so maybe we can use this article as a basis for writing a song. So let's write a song. Here's a song in the style of Help by the Beatles. I need someone, AI, to help me now. I'm feeling lost. I don't know which way to go. I've got a problem. I don't know what to do. I need some AI to help me through. Okay, I'm not a very good singer, so I'm not going to try and sing this to you, but you get what I mean. We've got a song with a chorus and a nice little writing style here that can be made into a catchy little song. Yes, we've used it to write a song, but now let's see what we can do. So maybe we can get it to tell us a funny story about that article. So let's see if we can use the article to tell a funny story. Tom would always struggle to come up with ideas for his YouTube channel. No matter how hard he tried, he just couldn't seem to come up with anything interesting or unique. One day he decided to use artificial intelligence to help him generate ideas for his videos. He typed in funny cat videos as the topic for his next video and hit enter. To his surprise, the AI tool spit out a list of over 100 potential ideas, ranging from 10 cats who think they're people to the most epic cat fails of all time. Tom was excited to see so many ideas at his fingertips and decided to go with 10 cats who think they're superheroes. He started writing the script with the AI-powered writing assistant to help him along the way. So as he was writing, the AI tool suggested he include a segment on Cat Thor, a superhero cat who fights crime with his trusty hammer, Jolnir. Okay, Tom couldn't help but laugh at the absurdity of the suggestion and decided to run with it. The video ended up being a huge hit with millions of views and tons of comments from fans who loved Cat Thor's segment. Tom couldn't believe that was all thanks to the power of artificial intelligence. From then on, he always made sure to have his trusty AI writing assistant by his side whenever he sat down to write a new script. Okay, so there we go. Funny little story about using AI to create scripts for us. So you can actually use that exact idea as a basis for a script. So maybe we can use that to create a social post. So can you use it to create me a inspirational social post? Okay, so we've got a quick little social post. Don't let writer's block hold you back from creating amazing content for your social media. By using artificial intelligence tools like AI-powered writing assistants, you can overcome those creative blocks and come up with a few fresh and engaging ideas for your posts. Let the AI be your guide and see what amazing things you can accomplish. Maybe we can now tell a funny joke about it. So here's a joke. Why did the YouTuber turn to artificial intelligence for help with their script? Because they're feeling, well, AI lonely and needed some AI ideas for their videos. Okay, well, not such a funny joke, but never mind. So can we write an amusing hook for an intro for a video? So let's try that. Are you tired of staring at a blank screen, wondering what in the world you're going to make your next video about? Well, worry no more. This video will show you how to use artificial intelligence to generate a ton of ideas for YouTube scripts and even write them for you. Plus, we'll share some hilarious AI bloopers that will have you laughing out loud. So sit back, relax, and let the power of AI do the hard work for you. Actually, that's pretty good. I wish I had some serious AI bloopers to share in this video. It would have kept you watching, wouldn't it? Okay, let's continue on. So maybe we can make that a bit longer. So let's ask if we can make this a little bit longer. So here's a longer script. Are you tired of struggling to come up with new and engaging ideas for your YouTube videos? Do you spend hours writing and rewriting your scripts trying to get them just right? Well, we have some good news for you. In this video, we're going to show you how to harness the power of artificial intelligence to take your YouTube content to the next level. Not only will we show you how to use AI tools to generate ideas for your scripts, but we'll also be revealing a secret technique for using AI to write the scripts themselves. That's right. You'll be able to sit back and let AI do all the hard work for you. But that's not all. We'll be sharing some hilarious AI bloopers that will have you laughing out loud. So if you're ready to revolutionize your YouTube content creation process, make sure to stick around for the whole video. You won't want to miss it. Okay. How about some titles? So let's get some titles. So revolutionize your YouTube content creation with AI, generate ideas and write scripts with the power of AI, the ultimate guide to using AI for your YouTube scripts, say goodbye to writer's block with AI, make your YouTube videos stand out with the help of AI, maximize your YouTube potential with AI writing, script writing tools. But maybe let's ask it for a technique. Let's try this technique, see if we can get this one to work. So let's ask for a script for an absurd idea about using artificial intelligence to create YouTube scripts. Let's see what it comes up with. So we've got a cluttered desk with papers and pens scattered everywhere. Are you tired of struggling up to come with new and engaging ideas for your YouTube videos? Do you spend hours writing and rewriting your scripts, trying to get them right? Well, we have a solution for you, artificial intelligence. So Han reaches out and picks up a small robot with a screen on his chest. Meet Scriptabot, the AI script writing tool that will revolutionize your YouTube creation process. With Scriptabot, all you have to do is input your topic and let the magic happen. The robot starts typing on its screen. Well, you can read the rest of it. So now we've got a quick little script with robots. Well, the robot explodes, sending sparks everywhere. Oh dear. Okay, so there we've got some creative ways to take an initial topic and generate loads of different types of content. So just get your creative juices flowing, start using different types of prompts with AI, and you'll be able to come up with some amazing content that's going to just completely take your videos to the next level. If you like this video, hit the subscribe button below so you get notified of any new videos that I've got coming out. I've got some great ideas for new videos coming up, and you'll be able to see those in the coming weeks and months. So hit that subscribe button down below and keep watching.